So, hello everyone and welcome to my channel. And hindi maganda yung aking boses. So, kung merong ubo at medyo namamalat yung aking boses gawa ng mainit na klima dito sa Pilipinas. Pero kahit ganun pa man, meron tayong gagawing vlog, ano? So, ito yung order ko from Lazada. This is the famous Boya BY-MM1 microphone. And mas mura siya kapag bibilhin dito sa Pilipinas kumpara sa UAE, no? Sa UAE nagkakahalaga siya ng 110 dirhams. So equivalent nun is 1,400 pesos. Pero kapag dito mo binili, it's only 1,103. Ayan, kasama ng shipping. Ayan. So, unbox natin. Hindi ko pa siya ina-unbox, ano? Unpack pala natin. Unpack. Then, saka natin na-unbox. Yan. So, inunit ko na. And, nandito yung delivery receipt. Coming from Juan Gadget. So the item is Boya BY-MM1 Shotgun Microphone. So ayan. Ayan. Then inside the packaging there is the item. Yan, napakagandang pagkakapackage. Excuse me. So kung makikita nyo, naka-well pack siya. Meron pa siyang bubble wrap. So, tanggalin natin yung bubble wrap. Talagang iningatan nila yung item. Yan. So, currently, ang gamit ko is yung it's a Canon D200 or Canon 200D DSLR, and ang gamit natin ay yung kanyang built-in microphone. So, gawin natin, this is the famous Boya BY-MM1 at ikakabit natin dyan mismo sa DSLR at titingnan natin yung effect ng kanyang sound or kanyang audio quality. So, sa pagbukas, so basically yung kanyang manual sa loob ng box, kasama rin yung warranty card, and then ito yung tinatawag nilang itong yung tinatawag nilang dead cat. I don't know why it's called dead cat, but it's a filter, no? And this is the microphone. So accessories niya, meron siyang para sa TRS male to TRS male, and then meron tayong, ito ay para sa DSLR, ito naman is para sa smartphone. So TRS male to TRRS male, ayan. Plus meron tayong holder and meron tayong pouch and a bonus of silica gel, ayan, para hindi magkaroon ng moisture. So gagawin natin, kakabit natin to sa DSLR at let's see the audio quality. Yan. Pak. Ayun. Pumasok na. At habang kinakabit ko, ito yung aking audio gamit ang built-in microphone ng ating DSLR. And this is the audio quality of Boya BY-MM1 microphone. So, ito yung dead cut. Subukan natin mag-electric fan. No? So, meron ng electric fan, naririnig nyo siguro medyo mahangin. So, ilalagay natin tong dead cut. And mukhang maganda ay yung kanyang audio quality. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Ako po'y namamalat. And see you next time. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video and see you around. Bye.